Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making a Jamaican style sorrel drink, and you know it's Christmas time and it's no surprise that we're sharing with you our Jamaican sorrel or hibiscus drink recipe. So here we have some ginger. We also have some pimento or allspice that we're going to be using to flavor our sorrel drink. That is our lovely and beautiful sorrel petals. So I got this sorrel from my local market, and you can also purchase sorrel petals at your farmer's market, and also in some countries they also sell dried sorrel. Normally the sorrel has seed in it, right? But this one was already prepped for us, so when you buy it at the market it is prepped. So they remove the seed right there where you see the hole, right? So they remove the seed. So what I would normally do after purchasing the sorrel is just wash it, meaning run some water onto it with the sieve, and you're going to put on some boiling water and allow it to come to a boil. You're going to get a container, place the sorrel into the container, and pour the hot or warm water onto the sorrel and allow it to draw. Jamaican would say allow the sorrel to draw, right? So it's going to extract that red color from the sorrel. Homemade sorrel drink is usually packed with Wray and Nephew white overproof rum. That's the rum that we use here in Jamaica in our sorrel drink. And also we flavor it with our ginger as we have here, and also our pimento seeds or pimento leaf, cinnamon leaf, to just top it off and flavor our sorrel drink. Pimento are all spices, and the ginger is almost always a part of the ingredients to our sorrel drink here in Jamaica. It adds more flavor to the drink. So as you can see, as we just said before, we're just preparing now the ginger and the pimento seed. So we're just going to dice or chop the ginger into smaller pieces, add that natural flavor to our sorrel drink. You know, Christmas would never be the same without sorrel drink. So make sure you try this easy to make Jamaican sorrel drink this Christmas. In a container we place the sorrel petals, and here we are adding the chopped ginger. Guys, this sorrel drink is the spiced sorrel drink. This one I go full of flavor, guys. You see them pimento there and the ginger, pure things. It's not a normal drink, guys. So this full of flavor. And what we're going to be doing next is to add the allspices or the pimento seeds, but it depends on the amount of sorrel that you're preparing. You want to also adjust the ingredients, so you can always adjust based on your preference. Next we're going to add or pour the hot water onto the sorrel in order to extract that flavor from our ginger, our pimento seeds, and the good old sorrel petals. So we just pour in the water onto the sorrel and the ginger. Look at that, guys. And as you know, once you pour the hot water onto the sorrel petals, it's going to turn red. It's going to bleed, right? So you want to ensure that the water is hot. You can also draw the sorrel into your pot, right? But this is what we choose to do, so we are doing it this way. You can also put it in a container, a glass, or whatever container you have, and you can draw it into that container. Okay guys, so we allow the sorrel to cool overnight, and this now, it have been, look at it guys, it have been sitting in there for about a month. So this sorrel recipe, it have been sitting there in that container for over a month, right? So you can bottle it up in your glass and you can store it. The longer you store with the pimento seed and some rice grain, the better it is and the more stronger. So if you know you're rum and you love the alcoholic beverage, you can just buckle up your sorrel, put in your ginger, put in your rum, your Wray and Nephew, and bottle it up with some pimento seeds and some rice grain and allow that to ferment, guys. You see, once you pop the bottle, I'm not have to say nothing else. Comment down below. Once you pop that bottle, comment down below what happened. And do you prefer your sorrel with rum or without rum? Comment down below. So what we're doing here is sieving the sorrel to get rid of the excess petal that might have been trapped into the sorrel drink. Because you know, so this store from Wapikil Philo, long time this was store. So you know, some people, you know, some people have some sorrel. You see the sorrel where them a draw this year from last year, it has store up, you know. Some people are like that. Comment down below if you know persons like that. Trust me, there are persons like that. And that sorrel, guys, very strong. Either even stronger than rum or any other alcoholic beverage that you know that is very strong. And you see this sorrel that they're making this year is not going to be drink until next year, guys. If I lie me, I tell me say I lie me, I tell. Alright, so next we're going to sweeten the sorrel. You could sweeten the sorrel before. You could do everything and bottle it up and put it down to be preserved, but we're doing it this way, guys. So we're going to sweeten. So you're going to sweeten based on your preference. Next in line to flavoring our sorrel drink is the big bad Wray and Nephew white overproof rum. Guys, you know we can't leave out the whites. The wine and the whites, I believe that's the second most important ingredient to the sorrel drink. Comment down below if you agree. You see, the wine and the rum, it add a different taste. If you agree, comment down below. Alright guys, so you see with the sorrel drink now, you always have to taste it to ensure say it not have too much sugar, it not have too much, well, not too much rum. Yeah, you get what I say? So you always have to ensure say you taste it and you want to add little more rum or you want to add little more wine. And you know, you can always adjust the taste and the flavor that you like. So nothing is wrong in tasting and ensuring that you have the right proportion or the taste or the flavor that you're looking for. So once you mix and you taste, then you will get to the right flavor that you like. And this is what we're doing here, right? Until it is perfect based on your liking. So you want to go ahead and add your sugar, add your wine here and there. You can always go ahead and adjust and add your rum based on your preference. What we're going to also add here is some lime juice, right? So this is a lime that we juice. So we add in the lime juice, so you know the lime bring up the flavor into your drink. And then we're just going to get everything incorporated. Look at that rich sorrel drink. It is very rich, guys. This is a rich sorrel, and I like when my sorrel is very rich till it's stain, red till it's stain. Yes, guys, that's the sorrel I like. Look at it. Look at that, guys. Good stuff. And this is our delicious and refreshing sorrel or hibiscus drink with some cube of ice. What more could you want? I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share with a friend so they can try this Jamaican refreshing sorrel drink. And you know it's the time and it's the season to enjoy, sit and relax during this Christmas time with a piece of Jamaican black Christmas fruit cake. I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please comment in the comment section what other Christmas recipes do you want me to make for you. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.